In this video, we're going to be creating full screen list hover animation, or you could say a full screen navigation menu, which you can use in your own projects. So to create this, we're going to be only using HTML and CSS. So without delay, let's start. If you're new to our channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe before we start the video. Open up a VS Code, and in your index.html file, inside the body, you're going to create an UL, and inside of it, you're going to write li containing a tags. Now, these anchor tags will have data attributes, which later we're going to style in our CSS. So we're going to write data text, and we'll give each nav item a specific data text, in this case, home. Then we're going to copy and paste it several more times, like about, services, work, team, contact, and we're going to save it and we're going to run it. So I've already added a bit of styling to our CSS and set the font family as Poppins. And inside the body, we're going to set it as display flex, and we're going to set everything inside of it at the center using justify content and align items. Now we're going to set the UL as position relative, and we'll remove the bullet points and we'll align the text at the center. Now once that is done, we're going to style the A tag. We're going to give it a color. We're going to remove the text decoration, and we're going to give it a font size and a bit of padding. And then once that is done, we're going to add in its a display property as inline flex, and we'll add a font weight and a transition. Now whenever we hover onto the UL, we want the A tag to have some specific changes, so we're going to do that now. So we're going to give it a color, and as you can see, when I hover, the color changes. Next thing that we're going to do is whenever we hover onto the LI, we're going to change the color of the A tag to black, and then we're going to set the background as white. So this is how it looks. So to get the bigger text at the background of the menu, we're going to be using the before pseudo selector, and then we're going to position it absolute and give the content within it, which is going to be the data attribute. So we're going to position that as display flex at the center using justify content and line items, and then we're going to add in some styling to it, like the font size, the color, the border radius, and so on. And we'd also like to add in the opacity to 0, and then z index to -1, and a bit of font weight and text transform to uppercase. So once these are done, we're going to add in a bit of letter spacing, and we're going to transition the letter spacing at 0.5 seconds. And once that is done, so whenever we hover onto the A tag, we want to style the before, so we're going to give the attribute as data text this time to the content, so that the content this time has the data attribute that we have given in our HTML. So for each specific one, we have given some specific attributes. For the home, it's home. For about, it's about, and so on. And we're going to give it the opacity of 1 so that it appears, and we're going to give the letter spacing and a bit of height and width. Now we're going to select each before pseudo selector, and we'll give it a specific background. So we're going to get the LI of the first child, and then we're going to get the anchor tag, and then we're going to select the before pseudo selector, and we'll give it a background. Now we're going to do it for the rest 5 such anchor tags, and we're going to give each of them specific backgrounds. So with this, we have completed our today's project. So I hope you guys learned something new from this video. So if you guys are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, please like it, and well, meet you guys in the next video. So till then, bye bye.